Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick beginner tutorial, I will show you exactly how to design an AirPod case in Printify in 2025. So whether you are starting a print on demand business or you want to sell custom accessories, this one is for you. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, simply search for printify.com. Once you are here in your Printify dashboard, you are going to see this type of section here in the left hand side. You need to click on the catalog option first. Then you need to just try to find the AirPod cases here in this list. You can also use the search bar over here, or you can press Control plus F on your keyboard and then you can search for case. As you can see, when I search for case, I found phone cases, and if we just scroll down, you can see we only have the phone cases option available, meaning that as of right now, maybe you cannot actually create or design the AirPod cases. So if you are interested in creating phone cases, you can just simply click on the phone cases option, and now you can select any of the mockup or the template over here. Once you are inside it, you can simply just scroll down and click on the option of start designing. Over here you can either add your own design, you can create that with the help of Canva, and you can also add the graphics over here by clicking on this graphics option in the left hand section. You can customize it according to your own design and according to your own style. Once you are done with editing, you can click on the option of save product. After that, you can either publish it on your store and keep it in your library until you are ready to list. So this way you will be able to design your cases with the help of Printify. Currently, they haven't given any option of AirPod cases, but in the near future, they are planning to add it in their catalog section. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.